What's the meaning of aggregation? Aggregation. 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 Aggregation refers to the process of combining multiple items or pieces of data into a single group, or summary. The result of aggregation is often a reduced dataset that provides insight or understanding into large amounts of information. This process involves the use of various mathematical functions and algorithms, such as averages, sums, counts, and percentages. Aggregation is commonly used in many fields, including finance, statistics, and data analysis, to better understand trends and patterns within complex sets of data. Overall, aggregation provides a way to simplify complex information for easier analysis and decision-making.